Hi, I'm Stephen Christie, and I'm here to talk to you about certified pre-owned Volkswagen. So what is a certified pre-owned Volkswagen, or CPO? It's like a pre-owned car that's almost like new without the new price tag. Each one of our certified pre-owned vehicles goes through a rigorous 112-point inspection and is reconditioned with manufacturer parts, and they're all inspected by our Volkswagen technicians, just like Tom. Volkswagen also offers subvented rates of interest, which means you're not paying the high interest rates of borrowing from a bank. I've seen interest rates even as low as 0%.
0%? That's less than 1.
You're also not going to be paying for your regular service.
What?
That's right, Morgan. For 2 years, Steel Volkswagen is doing something very special. We are going to cover the cost of your prepaid maintenance for 2 years. So stop shopping and come see us at Steel Volkswagen. Come learn more about the Certified Pre-Owned program or pick up one of your own today. Hi, how you doing? Nice to see you. It's great, it's all great.